The list keeps growing. Lanyon High, the latest school to be identified as a COVID-19 exposure site, taking the number of impacted campuses across Canberra to 14. Still, the Education Minister insists this was always to be expected.
Absolutely, and that's why we've put all those systems in place in our schools, making sure we have students cohorted into age groups, staggering breaks.
Understandably, the situation has Canberra parents on edge, and today the community was looking to the Minister for answers. But detail was lacking.
I don't have those details yet. I don't have that information. No, I don't, sorry. I don't even have that for you today. I don't even have that. I'm very sorry.
Among the questions put to the Minister were how many of today's 13 new COVID-19 cases are connected to schools, how many students are now in quarantine, and how high are vaccination rates among senior students.
This information is required for parents to make an educated decision on whether or not to send their child to school.
As Education Minister, you should have that information.
Waste of time.
Instead, this assurance was offered.
Our schools have been prepared and they're responding. I know it's not great for families who are impacted and staff and teachers within our schools, but please be assured that we're doing everything we can.
The loss of staff across impacted schools is putting pressure on the system.
It does place things under stress. But we also have to be conscious that these are the health measures that are necessary in the circumstances to keep everybody safe.
In what's been a challenging return to face-to-face learning, some principals are staying impressively upbeat.
Keep it down the back there, hush now. Quiet, whoa, eyes this way.
It is good to see him bright and going through so much, but still keeping up the positive.
Like most parents, Rhodina Ellison has been watching the unfolding COVID-19 situation closely. She's doing what she thinks is best for her 4 healthy children, keeping them in school.
I think my kids get a lot from the classroom. I'm confident with the communication that's coming out from our school.
The Education Minister says she's listening to parents and shared their concerns with an emergency cabinet meeting this afternoon. The point of the meeting was to decide whether to fast-track the next easing of restrictions, a reward for hitting 95% double-dosed. The plan won't be made official until tomorrow, but the Chief Minister has already hinted there's a fairly good chance it will happen. Rosie King, ABC News, Canberra.